Here we are again, about a do, round two. Our episode, how do you say episode?
Well, Shrahbader. Shrahado.
Shrahado.
Yeah.
Chlorado.
Chlorado is your programme, but Shrah is a series.
No, Scannon is a film, is it?
Scannon, yeah,
Film.
Anyway, cut them with it then.
Well, I wanted just to first of all talk about what has happened since the last time we were here.
Mm-hmm.
Any major news, anybody?
Well, Béarla gur Rossa ÓSnodaigh an ditsa.
Yeah, well.
Cad a Harla dit.
Well, okay, we had two near deaths and one slow demise. So, tá tú bio.
Tá me bio agus tá agla aram manish.
2 out of 3 ain't bad. Yeah.
This is like Macbeth or something.
No, hooray!
Walk.
Cost people.
Walk bet. Walk of bet.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know what. So cad a Harla ditsa?
Well, cad a Harla Misha was the ceapméid go raibh pean an a war in my bhulag.
Bhí tú turach?
Turach? What's that?
Pregnant?
No, ceapméid go raibh, no, bhí pean an a war a gum. Pean mar childbirth.
Oh, because
yeah, bhí sé an
Turkish.
strong.
There you go. Turkish is childbirth.
Childbirth, yeah. Ceapméid go raibh sé in my bhulag. Ach, nuair nach raibh mé ábalta move all at all.
Oh, bugga.
Gléach walk an ambulance.
On Orchar.
Orchar. Agus tháinig trúr far.
Anna Galanta.
Yeah, Anna Galanta agus bhí siad anha ar fad. Dinis ceanháin dum, he told me, go raibh mé ag having a heart attack. Ní raibh an pean am a bhulag bhí sé i mo chrí.
It's a chrí, so bhí taim chrí agat.
Yeah.
Taim chrí.
Agus tar éis sin, well, very go tapi tar éis sin chuig mé san Ingarán sa helicopter.
Yeah.
Agus chuig mé go dtí an Gaeilge agus chuir siad mise san ospidéal agus tá mé níl mé briste anymore.
Níl tú briste hill. So not only that, bhí de nóid a good.
Oh yeah, bhí de nóid a
Bhí
good.
de nóid sin méid. Agus ní bheith éin sin éidir seo.
De nóid?
De nóid.
Lear mé leis an pílóta. Chud bhúil mé leis.
Oh yeah, it's small world.
Yeah, down an bio gotá in Éireann.
Yeah.
Mar bhí mé ag ggóil le mar charú suir sé, seo fear is pílóta é ar Ingarán. I was going,
a helicopter. He met the helicopter
so
pilot.
Ingarán, right, came fog it up and she'd Ingarán there. Why did they call it Ingarán? Ingarach is perpendicular. So Ardeen on the helicopter go Hingarach. So they called it Ingarán, perpendicular.
Oh, right, really? Oh, it's interesting.
So you met the pilot of the perpendicular there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pilot of the perpendicular there. Bhí sé rá, nuair a bhíon taim crí ag daoine nílach dahad nóméid acu. They've only got 40 minutes before Riv Sullivan, the next phase of, where you're
irreparable damage.
Irreparable damage. So tá dahad nóméid agat. When Tá Darragh leat, you had the red look.
Tá Darragh.
Yeah, and Tá Darragh is good look.
Wow.
And Tá Darragh is super look.
Okay.
What's bad look?
Níá. Bhí an Tá Darragh leat. Mar go raibh de nóméid agat. Agus dúirt an duine seo, bhí sé dul a bhaile, sin scéile dúirt tusalm. Bhí sé dul a bhaile agus fuair sé an gléach, tháinig sé agus chunig sé tusa agus dúirt sé tógar an Etlán é. Agus bhí an duine istigh san ospidéal rá, no, túirgadí an ospidéalaí, and he goes, absolutely not. Feig an Ingarán agus tógadí Gaeilge.
Wow.
Agus tógann sé lethúir a clíg dul go Gaeilge.
So
Tá sé bio aniu.
yeah, tá sé bio. It's Sinéad 2.0. Tá mé arás. Tháinig mé arás.
Bio bahiach.
She never wants to see a perpendicular again.
Bhí fog san air. Dúirt siad go raibh fog i Galway. Cio in Galway.
Not Cio.
Agus dúirt siad go raibh siad ag dul amach taobh, like, outside.
Oh shite, so hope she needs with it.
Nuair a bhí muid san air the fog lifted like magic.
Bhí de angle ag breanúirt ag tuair aradit.
Yeah.
Bhí an dia
An dia
ag fécint ar an ingar.
But on part of bhí go maith, no, bhí gachrod ú fosach, bhí sé really ú fosach. Bhí an pean ú fosach, bhí agla an down ach thug an paramedic morphine dom. Agus an sin bhí gachrod anha ar fad.
Is álas go raibh tú ins na scamel?
Yeah.
Oh, bhí tú ins na scamel?
Agus bhí mé san Ingaran, agus bhí mé laying down, I was
Iglesias.
Ceap mé, ní raibh is go raibh wood panelling agus wallpaper inside in helicopters.
Really?
And then when the wallpaper started moving, I was like, wow, the wallpaper is moving. And the skull mé masula, I realised, they don't.
No,
Níl sé.
Bhí tú a bringloidí ar turas.
Yeah. Bhí sé cosú le the mushrooms.
The
back on bríocht.
Na pookie.
Dúirt mé don leis an paramedic. An wallpaper a gut sa helicopter seo. Dúirt sé do mo bhach feg ar the wami. Did you ever see your mother tripping? Goes, here you're seeing your mother tripping.
Bhí tú ar Ashtar Eving.
Ar Ashtar Eving?
Ashtar is a voyage.
Changing.
Or a trip, and Eving is wonderful.
Oh yeah. So that's sinné mo scale. An bhfuil scale on a exciting a gut?
No, Rossa tá scale ar major scale ar Rossa.
Fecum go bhfuil bone extra a gut?
Yeah, Canóh nua go mar
Canóh nua.
Yeah,
new bone. No, ní canóh, no, just touch a assault, out of place, assault.
Is Canóh bone?
Yeah.
Canóh.
Tinna canóh, that's your bonfire.
Yeah.
See, because they used
They used to burn the
They
bones.
used to burn the bones. Oh, very good.
Then they graduated to tires then. From
And
bones
mattresses.
And mattresses.
Yeah.
and nationalists. And Irish TDs.
That's right.
So big tinna TD a co-host.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yes, so we timpish glúiste go.
Timpish
On a
on
bhaile.
a serious.
Yeah, an Darira.
Yeah.
Darira.
We were going to Vimage Ag Dainamh show, Focal Factor, the quiz show, live on Cades or in Béarla ach bhí
Táim crí agat.
Yeah, agus an sin mean fear agus.
Yeah, bhí timpish to go.
Yeah, so Beidir nach Meg Dainamh third time because but we survived.
Just bannig tú féin agus be gachrad all right.
Yeah. Dó chathaoir. No need for a 3 chathaoir.
So cad a hála.
Bhí mo cór ag glúiseacht agus hosín cór ag sciorra. It's like a sliding skidding ar an móthir. Bóthir beag. Nílach spás de cór wandul bhailsin cór wandul seo. Bhí ceir a cór ag teacht chugam.
Oh, really?
Ach níor bhfuil mé iad.
Yeah.
Mar so bhín cór ag sciorra agus riil mé é a dhéarú agus níor airí lo mé a dhéarú it in Manchester Straightener. Mar gur chasan cór níos ansciupi agus bhí sé dul drone a car that bhí teacht was going towards the cars that were coming. Agus níor hastaíúm an accordion crash a bheith gum mar bheith gach aine mar agus mise freisin.
Yeah.
So haring mé an rust dúrtha ar chlé go hán gasta agus chuig mé tón haar ceann, went arse overhead, tón haar ceann in somersault agus bhúil mé rud aigen, nílis gom cad a bhí an cheap mise gur crown mór a bhí an, thought it was a big tree, but níor a bhéin crown an sin.
Well, conas atá
Bhúil an tíobh rud aigen, so bhí rá cúile is a pole, agus bhí an sconsa ar her sin, the fence was on them, so massam go bhúil an cór na dá cúile.
Agus bhí sé as aimid, mar tá píosa aimid.
Well, chuig píosa aimid isteach a cúil mo lámh chuma agus, but ní aimimid ón coile bhí an beidir aimimid as ceantas na sceacha. Ach ní a bhéin ceantas na sceacha, one of the bushes. Ach ní a bhéin curt an piece of aimimid. It had no, bark. So tá sé anna eisteach.
Beidir go raibh piece of aimimid I do glústán.
No, ní ha. Ní sin mar hanig sé chuid sé dtír goisteach bhúil an cór, bhúil mé mar sin. Mar sin. Agus chuid bhrisin inóg agus chuid rodéig na isteach.
So the window broke and a piece of wood went into...
Yeah.
It's almost like Padre Pio or something.
Yeah. On Stigmata.
Padre Pio Guiring. Yeah, so...
Stigmata.
Stigmata. It's Mazda bhí Stigmata. Now, Sinead. Padre Pio, co-raptor.
Agus on Padre Pio and Far, what's holy again? Croifach agus.
Or Nefa.
Nefa, Far Nefa on for Dini na Héireann. Agus Harla on Timperste Harla cúpla míle ins on Éire Huas.
Éire ó Hui. Yeah.
Well, yeah, so the accident happened in the north, in
just
the north.
Just Fermanagh, and here we go.
Fermanagh.
The monk.
Is that what that is?
Fermanagh, yeah. Man of the monk. So, fanga glushtu é seo. Anam, on Lug Anam, which is on Béarla Farran, the townland. On Animatar and Béarla Farran. No.
Isagum Rossa.
Rossa.
No way, really?
R-O-S-S-A-A.
Wow.
Yeah. Chula me on fact show at your show there last Friday.
So yeah, Rossa. Anam na hoite. Agus.
So, sorry, on scale show, is tusa on victim agus on hero. Mar tá gach den a dini sna glústán eile tá siad sábhalta mar ví tú mar James Bond.
Yeah.
And you took the hit for the mall.
I suppose. Well,
you drove into a field, right?
But mis an Tíospartach agus an Léach. Íospartach is victim, agus Léach is a legend. Or a hero.
Legend.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, near smúnig mé ar sin. But anyway, yeah. Ar son na cúise.
August, I can't think of the words.
Tá sé okay in
Tá sé as Béarla. Bhí tú ag fannacht ins an glústán for Ochracar agus cévéid how long?
Oh, well, hannig fear ag ritheisteach agus bhí sé gléach ar an Ochracar. Bhí mis sé gléach ar ma bhain céile.
Bhí sé sa glústán behind you?
No, bhí sé sin sa glústán nar bhúil mé isteacha. So bhí mis sa glústán agus bhí mé díreachtaréis 60 punt a chur sa chár, like luach brosla, like €60 of fuel. I was like, so cheap me gribh an car chun pléasca. Agus níorbh mé an dúirt bhí go lámh. Bhí mé gramathe. Stuck. So riil mé an dúras a oscailt agus níorbh mé an agus bhí lámh, oh jeez, níos an cata cearan seo. So riil mé oscailt leis an lámh clé níor éirílam. So bhí an fear seo ag rith, so bhí mis sé gléach ar ma bhean ará, bhí drohimpiiste gom. Beidir go méid fearn ar teachta agus cuidiúlam.
So your first phone call was to your wife, not to the emergency services?
No, well, bhí mé ag an áú. So bhí mé rá, okay, níl mé lemarmh. So abrá mé le róisín gúil mé an seo, but bhí foiile teacht as cool mo lámh agus.
So your shoulder was bleeding?
Yeah, cool my love, the back of my arm. Yeah, love is this, but it's also your gaig is your arm as well. But everyone calls that the love, the whole thing. So cool my rule, and then abrá mé go back of my shoulder. Bhí sé cur full agus bhí sé anna fever. So bhí.
So Cala went through your head, nor.
Thankfully, not me arse.
Piece
like a fly. When it hits a car, it lasts. So Cala.
That's right.
Yeah. Just kind of. Oh, bollocks! But rud a bhí mé rán a caiim mé éile was an car. Bhí mé cínta greibh an car chun pléasca.
Yeah, mar bhí alone petrol own.
Yeah, like she would be in car lawn le freaking petrol.
Now, fuair tú an petrol in the Republic or in the North?
Maar tá sé is an áit is sire in éireann itá sa bhlack or in Black Line. It's like tá sé fithe pingin ní sire na gachaid eile in éireann. Tá sé dochreta. So bhí mé anna hásta. It's like, yes!
I got a bargain.
Bargain!
Yeah, now I can drive like the clappers.
Agus nuair bhí mé dul san other car was like, oh, come on! Dúir mé le Roisin nuair a hanig dúir mé tug gachrod as an car. Agus mas féad le tug jerry can mas you know, current peep on a stop.
Yeah, you wouldn't be the first fellow on the border doing that.
Yeah.
That'd be a fairly common sight.
Yeah. So anyway, I hope she'd make it the Inish Catlin as we may stick in some resus a gore de or a clig.
I can hospital.
Hospital Inish Catlin in
Skillen.
Yeah. So
What are they in hospital like in Skillen?
Ní lisa gom bhí mé ar orca drugi.
Yeah.
Oh, ar
for me and morphine come out.
On raibh wood panelling agus wallpaper ar the ceiling in
Ní leis an morphine, and son thug siad fentanyl dum. Ach nuair a thug siad an ketamine dum. Bhí rudí fear actic torlú. Bhí Cara put the paint os na chóir. Well, bhí sé ar nós.
Cara put the paint os na chóir. There were four pots of paint
in front of me. Agus
colours came that
gloss glay, kind of pale green.
Okay.
Agus hussy siad ag buga in different directions. So mé rá catá tarlú.
Yeah.
Agus níor a bhéinú deile tarlú an son dimmic siad le shrú agus bhí mé brand new or her dul le shrú. We're going, they're flowing away and I was going, well mé catá tarlú. But you know, and son then hussy made chula me round gohunna. I was like, oh.
Voices, you heard voices.
Tá gohunna and Sean Aidegan. Cá will she'd. Cá will mission. Okay, agus and son chula me check on the patient there agus we were chins agus and son Hannig and peeing and it was like
oh my god.
Like brushing the ref. Yeah, our nose posh our nose Turkish.
Agus
Turkish bath
druggy extra druggies.
Yeah, well,
the lengths you guys had to go to at our age. At her age, to get bleeding drugs.
And you just had to go into a field and eat mushrooms.
That's it, back in the day.
Back on the day.
Back on Drake.
Back on. I see what you're saying,
yeah.
On Blaine to Hugan, tá lán back on Drake. Tá lán back on i gach ort.
Blaine to catcha.
Yeah, no, on
Blaine show.
Yeah, tá like on this autumn. There's been amazing mushrooms.
Oh right, okay. So it's mass year to on. Blian mass fleeing.
Yeah.
Agus cévéid léhananta lá in son hospital. Cévéid seachtainna, cúpla seachtainna?
Just seachtain.
Seachtain.
Yeah. So agus in son dúirtíad right leat. Agus ach do riire bachorga me gá ein chorus sláinte bháin. There really should be one health body. Tá sé ní dhéanann sé cíl. Mar bhí
ní dhéanann siad cíl.
Ní dhéanann sé cíl, it doesn't make sense.
Oh, it doesn't make sense.
Say that again.
Ní dhéanann sé cíl.
Ní dhéanann sé cíl. Wow.
So it doesn't do sense. Ní dhéanann sé cíl.
That there's different departments or different
Gá chorus exul, two different systems on the one island.
Oh, in Ireland.
Níl cíl ar bit leis. So tá an NHS you know, an seo agus dír an sin tá an FSS nó an HSE.
HSE, yeah.
So agus chun níorbh na doctóirí is sligach, níorbh ceadacha breanúir an MRI a dhéan siad
They couldn't look at the MRI in the north.
No,
in Sligo.
Don ceanna dhéan siad sa túisceart, the one they did in the north. Níorbh cead ag na doctóirí is sligach breanúir. Gan mo chead, so bhí scrí mise ag rá an bhfuil ceada go breanú ar MRI stúirtí tá seo an one-time code thug mé sin de an doctóirí agus bhí siad an
right.
So
it's crazy.
So gachail a rud a dhéan siad thusann sin níor cead ag na doctóirí breanú everything they did, they can't look at it. Ní sé cíalmhar níl siad a caint, níl siad ag roint ólas, agus támad ar fád ar an Ileán céine. We're all in one island.
Yeah.
So anyway.
Agus támad all Éireann nach. No.
It's Airnig Shingalig, yeah.
Well, Agus, British, if you are that way inclined.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Well,
yes, no, tá.
No, it's trans community.
Trans community.
Yeah, mar husi siad in Éireann, carachéad san do, chuig an dal riada, trasnigadí Ileán san Alban, agus an son chuig siad isteach san Alban, agus taréis carachéad blian hí gachéin in caint as Gaeilge.
As Gaeilge, yeah.
Agus an son, Hiontig na Sasni iad go Protestúnig. The English turned them into Protestants. Agus son hug she'd Talav Dove on Sean, then they reclaimed and gave them land here.
In son Ulla.
In Ulla, yeah. Plandal Ulla, plantation of Ulster.
Na Alban Ulla.
Na Halbanig, old
Halbanach?
Ultig Albanacha.
Ultig Albanacha.
Ulster Scots.
Ulster Scots, yeah.
Wow. So, yeah, go on.
Yeah, no, here's a focal for you. Crack.
Yeah, Cadas the Dagan Shay.
Yeah, so crack, Captain Gowill gach dinna, like everyone associates that with Irish and tá crack an Irish word, ach tá sé as Ulster Scots. It came from Ulster Scots.
Hannig Shay, why?
Hannig Shay, mar bhí the English and Scottish used to say crack for fun or gossip or talk. C-R-A-C-K, and then it sort of became Gaelicised because it was used Vichy in New Soil on show, and now it's spelled C-R-A-I-C, like Gaelicized version of crack.
But Beidir ma Hannig Shay why Ulster Scots Beidir Godonic Shay why and Gaeilge Ardús. If it came from maybe it came from Irish as in Gaelic Ardús. Who knows? But ag bula cracking is having sex.
Skin.
Slapping skin.
Slapping skin. Bula cracking.
Bula boss is this. Bula cracking is the whole body. So shin that could be there was a bit of crack under a vein cracker. That's false etymology. But anyway.
And Cavage
Braig Sonus. Braig Hannes.
On in San Hospital.
Sinéad,
cúpla seachtain, no? Cúpla seachtain?
Seachtain bháin, maybe cuig ó sé yeah.
What did you call the luck again?
Well, Antá Darug.
Antá.
And what's the extra word for luck then?
For the DH.
Antá.
Da is good luck.
Tá arav.
Tá lat.
Tá arav.
Or live.
Bhí
an tá live or tá arav.
Tá an tá earth mar tá muid an seo.
Sure. Because I mean, you could, could have been different. And look, I'm reading your
Cuichéad
Malach Dort. These, like how we described what we didn't like. You can tell me what this means.
Me?
I'll try. If you can, yeah.
I'll try first.
Gur arnon go bundun ag do nuachar agus colla go hédra.
Okay, colla go hédra, heavy sleep?
No. E-A-D-A-R-A?
H-E-A-D-R-A.
Adra that's between milking time. So it's the time. It's like either.
Well, I tell you what it means.
Basically, you missed the first milking time for that bit.
May your spouse be a night raver and a morning sleeper. Isn't that class?
Okay, say it again.
Gur arnon go bundun ag do nuachar agus colla go hédra.
Go hadra.
So
bundun is your basically your bottom, your hold, your bundun. And the first bit I'm not certain, I'll have to read it.
They're just like, these are just the most elaborate, constructions of insult ever. They're just amazing. I mean, there's one here like, another one just, Gomir mar an gawar dov agus a all agus an madra bon agus a clan.
Oh, what kind of breed?
May you be like the black goat and his offspring, or the white dog and his litter.
Yeah.
I.e., may you be barren.
Yeah. Oh shit.
What the fuck?
Wow.
That's amazing stuff.
Like shin. That's probably from a woman to a woman, I'd say.
Yeah.
Well,
It's
okay,
amazing
so
stuff.
tá tú ag fécant malacht, is it? Insults?
These are like
Malach, curses and
Malach
insults.
Okay, so
hurtful, is it?
is shivshe men, right?
It's fear
It's fear shivshe.
Fear
Yeah,
shifshe.
on will make ceart.
Tá tú long
Okay.
ceart, yeah.
Okay, so cad a ceapan tú faoin compliments. Tá tú ag féic insults, but cad a ceapan tú faoin compliments.
Oh,
As Gaeilge.
daghui.
Well,
Daghui is
daghui.
a good wish.
Dá méid tú ag caint le ban jazz or
Oh, right.
no, dá white lat ban. Cain size compliments.
A hug how di.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'd say may all go rá go main go féidir go bhfuil do púca go léal
Bon.
be
No.
magic.
Oh,
Aber is Béarla.
May all your mushrooms be magic.
Go raibh de bhacán go léir dríochta.
Dríochta,
Yeah.
that's the word.
So
yeah.
go raibh is May.
Go raibh.
Like go raibh mahagat.
That's
Bring
it.
with gach lá. We say it all the time. Go raibh gach bacán a go dríochta or go raibh gach
That's
whatever.
it. Go raibh
Yeah.
got back on a good
Okay.
be dríochta.
Sinead.
Sure, that's it.
so that's it. No, but that's a sort of wish more than a
But
compliment.
that's where this is coming
No,
from.
no, but that's an yeah.
Oh,
a
but tá
wish,
si sé
like-
gahrú an scéil isteach a cad a dearthall le chalín a daithnín leat. What would you say to a girl you like? Cad é an rud das a dheartha.
As Gaeilge,
Yeah,
obviously.
all right.
Or in English.
Tá tú jazz.
Agus cad a dheartha
Agus
siise.
cad-
Oh, gur mahagat. Tá tusa das.
Oh,
yeah.
Tá muid that.
Okay.
Tá mu
But-
das le chéile.
Agus cad ar white lat éisteach ar a hero. What would you like to like?
Oh, cad ar wallet a chlós ar a
A
chlustal.
clustal, yeah.
Um,
On ban.
On van.
On ban jazz.
Lí lumanis. Straight in, no kissing.
Yeah.
So Lee Lumanish, does that mean sleep with me now
Yeah.
or lie with me now? So it's
Well,
the same.
it's euphemistically
Yes.
but it's to lie.
Okay.
You know,
so-
English people go to sleep. Will you sleep with
Yeah.
me? Irish people go to lie with someone.
Okay.
Could you repurpose that French chorus, voulez-vous coucher?
Oh, yeah.
Say, I'm will to it, Lee
Er
le
while
mum,
that-
and knocked.
Er while that dul can Lee le me and nocht.
And knocked.
On mín lat colla lum a nocht son iha. Oh no, on
But
mín lat
colour-
jota.
Colour
Well,
is
colour.
like sleep.
It's like
Oh,
on
yeah,
mín
so
lat
is
li
the-
lum. Yeah, so I'm trying to get the colour in. On mín lat dolla li lum a nish a nocht.
There you go, there
There
you
we go. On mín lat dolla li lum a nish.
How about
Coucher.
and knocked? Agus amorach.
Oh, we could actually put
Well,
nocht in there.
fun mar
If we-
Fager near my I don't like you in the morning.
Oh yeah.
So just one night
Just
is
a
enough.
knock.
Well, you could say a nocht,
Yeah, yeah.
which would be tonight,
Yeah.
naked. So on mín lat li lum a nocht.
Yeah, yeah.
Nocht is naked.
Yeah,
Knocked.
nocht is
And a
naked.
knocked then as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
So you have a knocked tonight and
Tonight naked.
or
A nocht.
Oh, wow, okay.
Okay.
a
So you're
nocht-
straight to the point. You're trying to lure
A
them
nocht
with
dig
the
a hook
song.
nocht. How about that?
Song.
Okay, a nocht
He
dig a
says, you know, sleep with me, and he goes, "Voulez."
Have you heard this one? It's as Gaeilge.
Yeah. Well,
He pulls out.
I'm jumping forward. A nocht dig a hook nocht.
A knock go.
Naked tonight at 8.
Yeah. And
Boulamid. Okay. The if I heard the
dog glushing a shin.
listen a sin. No, while at no, okay, it doesn't really matter. While at receiving compliments.
No.
I'm well too able to compliments or receive all.
An féit lat glacha le. Can you accept an féit lat glacha le?
Yeah,
Compliments.
I'm well say sin like rud Éireannach ó rud like ceap mé go raibh say a lot of like Irish women don't take them well.
Possibly.
But is it men too?
Unruchas, sin Gaeilge ar
Unruchas.
Unrich is honest, so unruchas is an honesty.
Oh, right.
Ach tá sé aisteach mar, tá an kind of hugging to our plá-más in Éireann.
Oh, wow.
Taken with plá-más, we understand it.
Yeah, but we're suspicious of it.
Yeah, ní bud compórtach leis.
What's plá-más actually mean? I know what it does.
To plá-más someone.
What does it mean? The actual...
I think just exactly what it does.
Compliment.
I don't kneel in sanasagum. I don't have the etymology of plá-más.
So we feel like suspicious if someone... That makes sense. Mar nuair bhí mé I mo chónaí sa nua áireach. Bhí cara agam agus dúirt sé, "Hey, you look great today." And I go, "Fuck off!"
Yeah, fair enough.
What are you looking for?
Yeah. But no, bhí sé cara, ní raibh sé ag fécinn their Einrod.
Yeah.
And he'd go, "What is it with you Irish girls? You can't just take a compliment." Yeah. And you're like, well, it was immediately go, "Shut up."
Well, but tá rud éigen eile nuair a thugann den éigen unruchas dit. Tá siad cad bhí mé is saolas cad bhí mé céim fá, but freisin tá siad ag rá tá tú breanú go maith aniu. Muna bhaint way an lád ar gion, it's like, oh, I'm not looking good today. So be nurt of amantí, cuaramach céim fág bhfuil tú a thuirt ar cahanatá tú a thuirt. No, cé có minic is a dugan tú é. An gád é rá gach lánis. You have to say it every day now, like, so tá, má agus má ligan tú dit féin do féin bheas bheith bunathe ar unruchis. If you allow your self-worth to be based on compliments, like likes and anything, tá tú dulaisteach a nóid unsteady.
Yeah, mar you're depending on other people, not your own value, self-value.
But so tá politiíocht active buint leis na hunrachis.
Say that again.
Tá politiíocht act, there's strange politics. Odd politics to do with compliments.
Yeah, Talmud more comfortach leis na insults.
And in san cheer show agus since na caithír like as Clia in particular, it's Sinéad Changa, as in it's a language. It's a you've spoken and you've spoken, and it's more
or some fucking country.
That's a mixture of compliment and banter and insult.
Yeah.
But it kind of works as a language.
Yeah, it is. It is more like compliments, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's but when you show affection by going, "Ah, you fucker."
Yeah, it's true. And then if you practice that then on other people who take English seriously, they don't like it.
No.
Why have you called me a fucker?
Why would you say this? That does.
I am not a fucker. Nobody has said this to me before.
This is not true. And then you're going, this is not true. Fair enough, but now you're assuming Tatu as ag exúmiocht that I'm telling the truth all the time.
Yeah. But eganam céine is mahan rud on unruchas agus an dagui. Is tá sé gadas má deran den éigen, right, it's malum de léine. Like, but brahan share and bailach deran den éigen é.
You made an effort like that.
Oh, yen tú iirecht.
Yeah, dain tú iirecht.
Yeah, but má I don't know. It's fair. Tá sé mar géine amantí le baróg. Bhíoh mise uásach le baróg. I was terrible. Baróg is a hug.
Baróg.
Bhí mé baróg. Yeah.
You're not good with them.
Oh, nuair bhí mé in a Jaeger. It's cuimh na hug an Colin show baróg dom, and I was like, shh, what do I do?
Yeah.
Agus is cara a bhí inti, but baróg to me was something, when chéad céim eile. Agus some big of a poga, agus and some beidir go make what on toilet. Make a door like rudagan is far.
Yeah.
But bin and chéad céim a baróg, agus son nuair chuig me go dtíon rank. Chunig me, tugandini baróg and chéile an tamar fad.
They're always
it's like agus agus tá an chiel in san bailach a dentaré.
Tá an
healings and Balacha Dentere,
is that the sense?
the sense is
again?
in the way it's done. Brahan to sin. It's not all immediately.
It's not sexual.
Yeah. Agus sin I moch leg and cap me. This sure came.
This is a step to kissing someone.
Yeah, it sure came from Poga agus Arilla.
So when Uncle Frank is doing it, you're like, stop. No, I don't think of it that way.
But neurothoughts are brahan to an egg sulach. You know, you get these. You eventually see the difference, and it's like, oh, so shin and rud leshan unrachas choma. Ta barog ar nos unrachas. Nuras gana hanga tiggin to kata tefirde. You understand what's behind it.
Yeah, because in Nua Aurach, the Hoshi they barog on time galore. On time galore. You know, hello agus. Vi make cosula to say. Neil Tommy ceart galore le barog agus to coil. Dini.
Oh yeah. Ag legged the love or her.
Drop in the hand.
Yeah. Well,
Neil like
that's what I thought you said.
Ag legged the love is to place your hand,
yeah.
which is fall in your hand, but it sounds like knocking your hand on ag legged the love.
Ag legged the love.
Well, just like I'm okay with touching someone non-sexually. It's that part. Neil, I know.
Yeah.
But in New York, vi sheet on Gaeilge. Hi, nor gach or feckin to on Dini.
Oh yeah.
Like August kept me, but I saw you yesterday. I don't need to hug you.
Yeah. Neil to Dolan night.
Yeah. August on chin vi anish Dainam on time Gaeilge.
Yeah, Misha freshen, but Massan Gulchin ní sláin túla.
Ní fad.
Ní sláin túla. Sláin túla is healthy. It's healthier.
Sláin túla, yeah.
Tá sé just in the barog. Tá sé jazz mostly, but then also sometimes like
he's pointing at me.
A long Tom, like what you just said about America agus na gach or gach. I can't think of it.
Oh, too much.
Yeah. Sometimes
it's Neil sé keel between Idir Nadini. Tá sé too much for the actual dynamic of what. Sometimes lots of hugs. It's nice, but then it's like actually a bit further away from how they actually are with each other.
Oh yeah. So tá sé bregach. But it's false.
Yeah.
It's a little bit false then.
Yeah.
So, but in France, like on sometimes three. Yeah, like it's crazy.
But touch it on Ashley Mark.
He's laughing.
I'm just thinking of pogue. The word pogue is just funny, isn't it?
Well, poke.
Pogue mahone.
Pogue mahone. Yeah.
In France, they do three pogues. Sometimes.
Yeah.
Depends on the region.
Really?
Yeah. Some do 1, 2, 3.
I was with Nadini again in tree folk. Neil she'd run a chord dual host and son. They're not very friendly. They're giving one kiss.
And meanwhile in Ireland,
no, Kurt Tommy, don't like Lauren. But massive Tagan Shay why or Dishmahori. So ni akamisha mo hishmahori ag poga ach Urawan. Agus bin poga and lekna. Ní fiú pógar na beola.
Really?
So you never saw your parents kiss?
Ní achamid an tanga sin, níor sé sin, agus sin gachile tiismahor beagnach.
Yeah.
So níor mit comport, níor misha compordach an gui sin le a chorp. It was like, okay, so ní Harleen, Payrod a Harleen, Tarleen sé taif hirdas na dorshi, má Harleen sé.
Sorry. It happened behind closed doors.
Payrod, whichever thing happens, it happens behind closed doors.
Well, it happened 5 times anyway in your house, or 6.
6, yeah, for certain.
6.
Yeah. Agus, so, Massam Gershin, it's rud nua vi ban a scríomh. There's this woman who wrote an article, agus vi Anna Granner said, oh yeah, the O'Reillys, they only started hugging in the 90s.
That's funny.
Agus.
Yeah, well, Beidir on the whole country did, really.
Yeah, well, in Quivenlat, what was it?
Tarais River Dance.
Tarais River Dance. Yeah. No, River Shin.
Yeah,
Going down in Quivenlat and Scanan Shin.
yeah. I went
Oh,
down.
I went down with the...
Hussy
Cúig Meisias.
Hussy McGuinn at Tuath Barrow, though, and he ran goes, "Get away, we're not Italian."
Oh, yeah. That's right, yeah.
Well, ní acha mé mó bháthair ag gol riamh.
Nach vaca.
No,
Riamh?
until, okay, go or...
Nuair a bhí tú...
No, go or
Nuair a bhí tú sa Ingerán.
in Mosail, chunig mé I ag gol.
Mhm.
An céadúr, tar éis the Stardust.
Ah,
Bhí muid ina Coney
Necklace or
Yeah.
Gardo.
yeah.
near, yeah.
R10.
Yeah, but we had moved by then, but so bhí sé on Gaeilge sé and the neighbours are on telephone agus bhí sé ag cuinú. Agus an céad uair eile chunig mé I ag cuinú nuair a bhfuil Kenny Egan silver in the Olympics. And Darnália.
Oh, Darnália,
So
right, yeah.
Darnália.
Chun fé cúig blian ó hin or fé blian ó hin?
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah.
Was it 2000 or 2004?
Even maybe, yeah.
96, 2000, something like that?
Yeah.
He
Yeah.
búil sé on
Was it silver or bronze?
silver. Céine blian...
Le, what's his name?
And being Kane Le Carruth.
No, Groot was 92.
Bernard Dunn.
Who won it? Was it Bernard Dunn?
I can go out Kenny Egan silver, right?
Yeah, silver, but somebody won gold. Somebody won.
Okay.
Somebody won.
Somebody did.
An fear an tá sé fuair sé bás, no? Agus bhí sé very tragic.
Go tragóidach.
Yeah,
Neil and Tana McGuinn.
Is
Ag focal factor 3, Begus again.
Yeah.
Sin
Yeah. August, the other ruddy that Cala Horla since we last did this, Troy Parrott.
Sin bhfuil
yeah.
Troy.
Tá far a bháin rinne sé 2 goals agus
Cool.
Cool. Yeah.
agus anis tá an entire nation
Mhm.
has to go through the drama and the fear
Oh,
all
God,
over
yeah,
again.
Yeah, which
It's
is
like-
great.
Yeah,
It's
Yeah,
great.
well,
because
so-
they were
Go tupan big air ag Brownhoover and Soccer Ish.
yeah.
River on cliff idir era agus Portugal ní rá ein
Clue.
Sim.
no one had any hope for that.
Yeah.
So
No, goodness there into hope.
Near of Dochas.
Dochas.
Dochas again in a
Oh, Tochas
Yeah.
is that's on
Yeah.
Manum for the prison, isn't it? For women's
Dochas.
prison.
Yeah.
In,
Hope.
As Mar Clea. Wow.
Yeah.
Dochas is hope.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, near of Dochas are big again in a. No one had any hope.
At that
I was-
time, yeah.
But like near Yenshi
Well,
Tadal a
not,
fihe
not
blian.
even Docus, but any imagine, like you couldn't even imagine it.
Near
Like,
how-
it just was like, oh, tá sé creeping.
Ní étá é a haulu. Ní étá é a haulu.
Tá
É a haulu. You couldn't imagine it.
I couldn't imagine it.
Couldn't
Yeah.
imagine it.
Ní
Ní étá é a haulu.
raibh sé ar anyone's radar.
No.
Agus inis
So-
tá far as lár baile ach lia.
Tá an chance, could you an chance, it sort of quaga.
Quaig, well, Kehamid. I mean,
let's check, yeah.
but
check, yeah.
ní léine eile ag fáil cool.
Yeah.
I mean, má chuirtín sesin ein chuid a chorp.
Tá Czechia, what I was saying is Czechia are down a couple of spots down the rankings from Hungary.
Mhm.
And,
Okay.
they're not, they're 40
We'll
something.
cling to that.
Cling to that. Also, I can't think of the words. If we beat them, then it's most likely Denmark in Dublin.
Má bhuaing mid ortha is tócha go méid an danmhar
And Danvar,
I mai lá
clear.
So Docus is hope and Doca is certainty.
Is tócha is, I suppose, actually.
Is Doca, yeah.
Is
suppose,
Doca.
Yeah.
And yeah, near swing me go Mastu. Docha sling ne podrick aspel morna hair.
Cheer us, Docus agus glórach.
A nook, the nook,
Nocht ag a hocht nocht.
nook.
Nocht.
Beg me
Tá mé nocht. In San Chi.
Nocht. A nocht. Okay.
That was in right.
So before we
Hot
go
tub.
then,
Sullen Mimid. Here, try that. Sullen Mimid.
Sullen and Nimid.
Sullen Mimid.
Sullen and Nimid.
Nimimid.
Na mimid.
Nanimwid.
Nimimid.
Nanimwid. Nanimwid.
Ne.
Ne.
Me.
Nami.
Mid.
Mid.
Na mimid.
Sullen and Mimid.
Anawa.
Sullen na mimid.
Yeah. Sullen Mimid.
Cadid na
Before we
fuckle.
go.
Yeah, Cadid na fuckle I learnt us today. Nucht is naked.
Nocht is naked. Docus is hope.
Malacht is
Curse.
insult.
The one for sense, Kele.
Oh, Keel.
Keel. That's great.
Keel and
Keel.
Tisha Indach is Kayla.
Brano. Barog.
Barog.
Barog. Never heard that. Barog.
Egbulu crack. No, Egbulu kraken.
I've
Yeah,
heard that
yeah.
one before.
Slapping
Skin.
skin.
Tá long crack on.
Okay. Anawa.
Ingar.
Ingaron.
Ingaron
Ingaron.
is perpendiculars.
Yeah. How many perpendiculars did America lose in Vietnam, I wonder?
Okay, made Ingaron. No, 19.
Hey!
19.
Perpendiculars.
Sorry, no.
It's great. It's really great because they're going, what are we going to call it? Perpendicular. It's great, man. It's great.
But
I wonder what would if they'd seen the airplane
yeah.
inclines.
Oh yeah. Well, tugging sheet etalon or shin, which is a flyer.
A bird
Flyer,
is
wings.
an etchelt is flying.
Flying.
Eta is a wing,
Yeah.
like on eta clay is left wing. So etalon is a kind of a wingy
All
thing,
wings.
really. Yeah.
A wingy.
Wingy thing.
Winging it.
So we
Aer
learned
Lingus, winging
perpendiculars and wingies. Winging it. Yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome. And
Harbor.
Oh yeah, I do have one cached. What is Uchther? How do we have a president and an ice cream?
Oh,
Very
yeah.
closely related.
Oh, yeah.
Oris an Uachtaroita. Mammy, you're faintly dug in the Oris an Uachtaroita.
The house of the ice cream.
Neil she
Yeah.
is stegen an Oris and is thought she
Nothing?
posts a farmly.
Oh, will she
Well,
first a
Bajor, by the time we put this out in 2 years, it'll be-
farmly ice cream.
There you
Is there
go.
a farmly ice
There
cream?
you go.
There is.
Is there? Dairy Lee, come
Dairy.
on.
Ah, damn.
Bajor
Little.
Bajor Little have a farmly. But no, how they Uchther?
Uchter. So Keeleen Uchter. Show Uchter. The top.
All right.
The above. So
All right.
leis instant bainne tan bainne gut agus ordaíon on cream. So it rises to the top. So
Ah, the
Uchter just
cream.
means top.
Okay. So
So-
that means Uchter of top of
So
the
top
rocha.
of
Top
the
of the
rocha
milk
is-
Top of the milk.
Is the Uchter. And
Ah,
so
okay,
Uchteroite
so the
is top
cream-
of the iced frozen top of the
frozen
milk.
top of the milk, so frozen cream.
Yeah, so frozen top. And then Uchteron is the top guy.
Or
Shin
girl.
and fa. They should
Yeah.
dig into.
Yeah,
That's why we
okay.
have Uchteroite and
Uchter.
Uchteron.
Uchter
And Oris on you.
And
sorry.
Oris and Uchteroite.
Oris and Uchter rocha, yeah. Captain Gould Jim Gavin was Seamus Gavin to be better at the Uchter rocha than he would be at the Uchter.
Don't speak ill of the dead. And
So Tásúla go megmid all bio
oh yeah.
forever 3.
Go Merrimid Bio Eganam Shaharish. There's one for you now.
Merrimid bio.
Eganam Shaharish.
At the next time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Carcalor,
just-
Shin Shin.
Slán, well, Slán.
Slán Lat.
Slán
Yeah.
that.
Slán live.
Live.
Yeah.
Live. Let's all
Live.
live.
Oh yeah.
Live strong.